Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is a demo of me streaming from my PC. You'll see I'm capturing a window on, which I'm then going to put this view of me on camera. At least I hope I'm on camera. Yeah, I'm on camera. Okay, cool, sick. So you can see what I'm doing and how it looks while I'm doing it. So we are going to hit a retry on this. I have practically cheated. Hello. Here we go. So I have played this already. It's a little zombie game that you can get with the Infinity suite of the Vive port. And it's just going to pick me up from where I was. Oops. No, that's what I wanted. This was cool. Because now I've got two subbies. And yeah, you can hold them sideways, as you can see, because I'm from Edenvale. So this is kind of me in my natural habitat here. Spraying with one hand. What's cool in this game is headshots do count, so you don't really need to spray that hard. Look at it, it's hilarious. I'm back. Ooh, Uzis, definitely those. No, I don't want that. I want the Uzis. Oh, whoops. Oh, these are sick. They're like in the Matrix, man. But you check that, even the rotational positioning on this thing is so sick. Are you coming for me? How about now? Hey, that's my chicken! No, my chicken! Oh no. They killed my chicken.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
This thing was actually making me poop myself earlier a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. I said man, didn't I? Apparently I said retry.
Just a little longer.
Let's try this again, shall we? Oh, I've got the pistols as well. The pistols are pretty good. They're accurate. Here, bruh. You come here. Hey, that's my chicken. What are you doing? Oh man, the tracking in this thing is so good for no base stations. Like that I can just put this on and go straight it down and put it in. Oh, you coming for me there? I didn't think so. Oh, little squibby. You're rude. Oh, you're my chicken! Save the chicken! What is that thing? It's like the Big Show just showed up to steal my chicken.
That is one big ugly son of a gun.
You don't say. It's got more chins than a Chinese phone book. Oh, you're coming at me. What for? Jesus, I panicked.
Ooh-wee. I'm surprised to see you're still standing after that.
Me too, man. Me too.
It's not over yet. All right, partner. Light it up.
Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. 5 shots each. Okay. That's good. Oh yeah. What's up, partner? Get out of here. Hello. Okay, bye bye. Oh. Where did you come from, man? That was just unacceptable. Hey, Squib, get out of here. You too. No one coming down the stairs, right? Check, I hit him with a no look. Oh, Squibby. Get out of here. No, it's good. This game is actually very satisfying. Even if you went like full chop. How the heck is that? Oh, hi. You thought. Bruh, can we just talk this out? I don't wanna... I mean, you seem so, like, chill. You guys are not chill. Cold-blooded! I make James. How are you? Tougher than the other guys. Okay, let's get the John Wick going here. Nope. Oh, big dude. Oh, easy. What's really cool is you start to get a feel for where like the guns are going to shoot. It becomes easier and easier to hit those heads. Like.
Nice work. Go on up. You'll find a pretty special gift up there.
Oh, I hope it's a machine gun.
Well, what do you think? It's my extra special assault rifle.
Hello?
I'll let you use it. But you gotta share that good chicken with me.
Oh, cool, it's good assault. Even if I pull it right in my face. No, well, no, not quite. Oh, check that shot. This thing is like cheating, dude. Oh, no. You know, this is the kind of like, it's kind of like the equilibrium, you know, with all those gunpowder really like. I wish that didn't work so well. Get right up here. I've got hacks in my left hand over here. Hey! Hey! Getting right up in here. There we go. Wow. Okay. Oh, that is so cool. Okay, cool. Oh, wow. Oh, that is sick. Let's go with the grenade first.
Focus down some zombies. Oh, and there's also some grenades too.
Oh, I still got my pistols. I wonder if I can hit them from here with these. I wonder if I take a step forward. There's my table. Okay. So the Daniel Radcliffe movie Guns Akimbo. This is a lot like that. Give me a grenade. Yo, here we go. Oh no, don't drop that at my feet. I really want to get that nade right. Cheers, man. Sideways sniper. Oh, this is really hard to do. Oh, that's kind of dumb with me. Hi. I'm touching my chicken. No chicken for you. None for you either. All for you. Oh, what? Okay, maybe a little bit of chicken for you. But none for you. Get out of here. I want the grenade. Give me this thing. There we go. Okay, so now, how does this work? The pull pin out and throw it. I blew myself up. Oh well. Get out of here. Planned. Absolutely planned. Don't you know that costs 74 rand a kilo at Spa? Come on. Hey, get out of here. You too. Well, I'm going to stop the action there. because I think you guys get the point. It is quite consuming. I actually hit the end of the maximum recording time on my camera as well, out of interest, because, well, you just kind of get consumed in it, isn't it? But the tracking, all in all, I have to give it a solid 10 out of 10 with no base stations. I think it's definitely is better with the base stations, but the fact that this is all I have and a very strong Wi-Fi, which Asus very kindly let me use so that I could stream to it, you can't get away with the AC1200. It is what I assumed that you would need something a little bit beefier. So I've got an AC3000 from the lads and lasses, but then everything works super seamlessly. And something else that's nice is it does integrate your Steam library when you sign up into the Vive port. You do get a 14-day free trial to the streaming service. After that, it's about 250 Rand a month for it, so it's less than $10 a day really for this kind of service to be able to stream from your PC. It's really cool. Yeah, what else to say really? Full wireless VR system. The future is here. Ready Player 1, I think Ready Player 2 is on the way, so this could be literally Ready Player 3. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed me pretending to be zombie John Wick, and we'll see you again on the flip side.